Hey guys, it's Amir here doing a quick walkthrough on my Airbnb townhouse in the Poconos. It's been about 2 months since I listed it on Airbnb and it's been really slow, a lot slower than I expected. But I put it up in October and usually October and November is the slow month. But right now it seems like Airbnb is slow everywhere, so it might just be people are not traveling as much as they used to. Everything is more expensive right now. And also a lot of summer activities here are closed for the season since it's November. Winter activity hasn't really picked up yet. Until it gets colder and starts snowing, then there's going to be skiing and stuff. And hopefully that will lead to more bookings. So for October I had a total of only 4 bookings and they were all weekend and one day. I think one of them was a 2-day and the other 3 was 1 day only. So it made enough to at least cover the bills, but if I had a mortgage it would not have covered that. And this is mid-November right now, it's the 17th. And so far it's doing a little bit better this month because I've had 1 2-day booking already completed and this weekend is another 2-day and then I have a 3-day towards the end of the month, which is going to be Thanksgiving weekend. That was booked through VRBO, so I think this month I'm going to make a little bit more than October, but still not enough again if I had a mortgage. So I'm hoping it picks up in December and January once it gets colder and it starts to snow. So I'm doing this walkthrough after my cleaning person came and did the turnover service. As you can see, everything here looks good and tidy so far. There's no wear and tear yet. Nothing needed to be replaced or fixed so far. The outside is a mess because it's been raining a lot lately and there's a ton of leaves on the deck. But no one's using the deck at this time of the year and probably for the rest of the season. So until spring, this doesn't really need to be cleaned up. So nothing has changed here since the last time. I'm not sure if I had the TV up when I did my last walkthrough. If not, that's the very last thing I did here, and everything else is the same. I do plan on slowly getting more stuff to add and fill the space up a little bit more, but I'm not trying to spend a lot more money right now, especially while things are so slow. The good news is all the reviews I've had so far, which is about 3 or 4 I think, they're all 5-star. So that's a really good start for me. And I'm hoping that helps to push my listing up a little bit more and hopefully lead to more reservation. So I'm going to take a quick walk upstairs. So everything is nice and clean. So for now, so far all the booking I've had, they've all been either 2 or 4 guests. So no one has really been using this space. And that might just be because it's not like a private room. But coming into next summer, I may put a door over here. Let's see right here. If I can put a door here, it's gonna be kind of small, but it should work. And a curtain or a shade straight across there that's gonna create privacy, and then this could be, and I could advertise this as a 3rd room. So that could possibly lead to 5 or 6 guests being able to use the space. I'm not sure if that's a good idea yet. I'm still thinking on it. Anyway, that's it. I just wanted to give a quick update on how it's going so far. 2 months in, not looking really good. But I'm hoping as we enter December and January it starts to pick up. And yes, and if I did have a mortgage, it would be a struggle right now. So that's the only reason why I'm not losing money. I should be, but I expect it to be getting a lot more booking, at least more days, even if it's the same amount of reservation, at least more days. Yeah, initially when I put the listing up first, when I first listed it, I had a minimum of 2 days, but wasn't getting any hits. But then I started allowing single day bookings, and then I got a couple of reservations. So eventually I want to go back to minimum of 2 days, but for now I need everything I can get. I will do another update probably mid-December or towards the end of December coming into the holiday. And I'm hoping by then it's a lot better than it is right now. Anyway, until next time, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe below if you're enjoying these videos, and I'll continue to make them.